Hi guys, welcome back to Moj Moj TJ, and today I'm super duper excited because I'm going to be opening the Moj Glitter surprise. And these are brand new out, and I'm super duper excited. So let's get on with the video. So first before I open them, I'm going to show you what it says on the front. So it says Moj Moj 95 to collect, and then it says on here, so soft, so cute, so mojo. Now on back it says series now. I'm super duper excited because I've been waiting for these forever, so I love them. Like every toy is my favourite. So let's get started. I'm going to open pink, yeah, pink, pink, pink. Oh, you get two in a packet. That one, this is cool. Ooh. I'm going to open this one up. I've got one that's like black and then pink. And I've got a purple glittery on. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I like this one. It's so cute.
What does it feel like?
It feels like literally jelly.
Oh, I can have it for you.
It's like a squishy but then jelly. Like a jelly squishy.
Oh wow.
And I think you can throw them at the wall and it sticks.
Really?
Yeah. Aww. Aww.
Oh.
This one feels like, because it's got glitter in it, it feels bumpy. Bumpy and like jelly as well. Instead of squishy. I like them.
Oh, that is super
Could be like a
glittery.
stress reliever.
That's super glittery, that one, isn't it?
Good job. Then, so if it has a star on it, it's rare. If it has a gem on it, it's ultra rare.
What have you got?
I don't know what I got. Mine don't have anything on it. So I guess if it doesn't have anything on it, it's just casual. The popular. My other one is popular as well. These are my favourite colours, so I'm going with the blue. Oh, they're cute. They're seriously so cute. I can see them through like the packaging and they don't look the same in the packaging as when you get them out. I'm going to open the glitter first. Okay.
Oh, is it a bunny rabbit? Or a mouse? A mouse.
A bunny rabbit. A little bunny rabbit, but it's pink and glittery. And then let me see that one that I've got. The one I've just opened. Oh, there we are. Found it. And that one's a popular. I'm getting all popular. I'm gonna have a team of popular. a popular household. Hope this one's something different.
What is it?
This one is a pink one. And it's super cute. That's it. And that one's a popular.
Ooh, we've got a popular squad brewing.
Yes, we have. The yellow one yet. Save it best to last. Yellow one's the best. Comment down below what's your favourite colour. We'll see which one gets the most of it. I know pink will probably be one. Or unicorn colours. Or even rainbow. Even better. Well, unicorns for sure. Unicorns are the best animal in the world. There we go. Aww. This one's jellyish. Jellish. Shimmy, 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 Can't find that one. I'll look for that one later. Oh, this one's a bigger one. Alright, I already know what it is. It's a popular. And what's this one? Popular. A proper family of populars. That one's a boy one.
Oh, that's a sea lion. How cute.
I think I might have opened it. Opened it. Oh, they're cute. Let's get this out ready. Okay, I'm gonna open this one first. It looks glittery. Oh, that's cute. Let's see which one I got. Yep, that's the one. And I got a popular. So I got a blue bunny. Wait, like crystal blue. Like super duper stretchy. And I got a popular. Two glitters this time.
Really?
Yeah.
What animal is it?
A bunny rabbit.
Oh,
A silver bunny rabbit. So I got popular. Oh! I know what I've got. I've got a popular.
what animal is it?
I think it's a squid. So I've got popular.
What animal is it?
Sea lion.
Oh. Oh, what animal is that?
Oh, it's really nice. Oh, there's this finger on the top.
What is it? Is it like a hedgehog?
It's a hedgehog.
What?
Ultra.
Seriously?
No. So popular. Got you guys.
You always get us, guys.
So guys, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love if you would subscribe. Press the notification button and share with family and friends. Bye guys!